Hey everyone, this is a Airtable Base that is proven to be successful when in our company, and we have built it through like a 3 or 4 months of hard working and like getting everything together, combining all the parts, all the systems that we use, all the apps that we use. It basically nails down like features from every single apps into one giant base. I hope you find this useful. To demonstrate how we use the platform is it's kind of linear, like you can understand based on the table names and what the things does. Like we started the contacts, so we contact all the contacts, which are, you can also say in terms of like in CRM it is called leads, or like in a company you have multiple contacts that you can connect to and have like interview with. Those are all in this single page, in this page, in this table. Then you've got clients, which are basically companies. So every single company will have multiple contacts, or maybe a single contact or multiple contacts. You list them down here, and you've got the company email address, the primary email address you'll be contacting to, and you've got the company name, phone number, addresses, website, logos. Logos are kind of useful when you build the interface, so that you can easily know like based on the logo which company you are dealing with. And then you've got the projects, like the companies will give you projects that you're going to work on. So if you are a web development agency, you go for a particular company, you can like have projects like web design and web development and automation, operation and management. So you can list out all the projects in here. You can like record the signed document and start end date. You can easily see like how much money you've collected based on the invoices and how much money is due using the formula. And you can also see like in here you can see that we have this Kanban view where we know which are upcoming. So these are the upcoming projects, and you've got the active ones. You can easily find it down here. You can also use this timeline view where you can see like this blue line is the current date, and we have started working on this from September 1st, and we are looking to like end this project like somewhere around April of the next year. Then we have another project which is an upcoming project that are to start on October 1st. So you get the idea of how this layout works. Then you've got tasks, which are for every single project you've got multiple tasks. For example, if there's a web development project, so you've got tasks for like backend, front end, maybe web design and then management. So you can list out all the tasks, assign the person from your like teammates, so that it get notified, and you can view all the data on this view, which is the Kanban view for task by status. So all the upcoming tasks, all the active tasks, you can see the progress. So once I think that is all completed, this seems to be all completed, then we can go to take the task to the review stage. Then this is halfway, and you can see the project name, assignee who is working on the project, and you can also view the project by the assignee, which is which I haven't set it up, but we should be able to just maybe changing the name to a different type. We'll be able to view the project, view the task by assignee. So you can also see stuck, the tasks that were stuck based on this parameter. This stuck, if something is stuck, then you can view the task here by just using a filter, and you can see all the tasks, so someone can go over to the task and like take proper action. So then you've got the invoices. So every single project can have like one or more invoices. You can assign the invoice here, and you can pick the line items, which are in a single invoice. You can have, like as I say, like multiple in a single project. You can have multiple types of tasks, tasks like designing, development, front-end or back-end, and operation and management. So you can list out all of your services that you provide, and you can put them in the line items that's going to generate the amount. And you can also easily see the due items or due amount, and you can see your invoice in here as well. And then you got the items, which are the services that you provide with the amount for a certain month. Maybe you can see this 1 month is $7,500, and then 3 months is $20,000. And it also lists out the number of hours. So if you want to track the hours, then it will automatically update the hours on the task, and it will notify you if you are reaching to that hours, like maybe 10 hours earlier. It's going to send you a notification. You can also set this up through automation tab. Then you got teammates, is all the people that are working for you, and you can easily see, like for example, if you create a group, so group by department, and if you group by department, you can see all the people corresponding to that department. So in the design team, we've got this number of people, and you can see you are paying every month $17,500 for the design. But however, in here you can see like we are paying like $15,000 a year. Maybe it is not accurate because these are hourly people, so we want to include the salary and people that are not terminated. So we're gonna create condition. We're gonna take your salary. This is salary is not empty, because if it's empty, it's okay. Yeah. So payment type. Sorry, we wanted payment type. We don't want hourly, so it's not hourly, or okay, yeah, it's not hourly. And another condition is that the status of the person or teammate is not terminated, or maybe you can select is active. That means only the active ones will show up in the list. Then you've got the payouts, like all the payouts that you make out to your teammates, or maybe to your to all the apps or software that you use. You can write it down on here. This is gonna enable you to use like these charts to make an understanding of how much you're paying out each month, and do a lot of notification or like analytics part. And you've got the hiring tab as well. In here you can see all the people that applied for a position in your company. You can create new job by just like we want a new project manager. I already have a project manager, maybe front end developer. So they're just gonna create a like a position for that people can apply to. So you can go to the application, open the form, and it's gonna bring up the form, and I can apply for front-end developer. I can type my names, email addresses, and all the things, and expect a salary, and type something like that, and monthly salary. So LinkedIn URL. I'm gonna grab that quickly. Okay. Then your portfolio. I can grab my Upwork profile and paste it here and submit it, and it's gonna show up in this grid view. Yeah, you can see here front-end developer applied this. So application date, we can set up an automation that's automatically updated. We can also use this date, so the created date. So this is when I applied for, and so got the Kanban view as well, so you know how many people in which stages. For example, these are the new people. This is the since I just applied, so it's uncategorized, so I can take myself to applied. So then we can do like emails or review my you can review my profile, and I can go to the review. If I am like skills are good enough, then you can take my profile to the interview stage. Then you can set up interview based on my email address. And then you've got the marketing tab, which you can use to send out emails, SMS, and maybe Twitter tweets, Facebook post, LinkedIn post directly from here. You can use the send button to directly send a post, or maybe you can schedule the post and it will be sent automatically. So this is an overview of like this big, like a gigantic database that we use for our daily operation, and it is just working like great. This is the best like possible thing you can build it yourself, so that everything you can imagine is like near your reach. If you had to use like any like a pre-built CRM, so you might not like customize it as much as you can do in here. So it is just like really awesome first.